Look at the quadrilateral ABCD. Which information is needed to show that quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram? Alright, so before we even read our answer choices, let's talk about a parallelogram. We know in a parallelogram, the opposite sides are parallel, the opposite sides are congruent, and the diagonals bisect each other. So those are the things we know about a parallelogram. So let's look at our answer options. Use the distance formula to show the diagonals AC and BD are the same length. Well, they're not going to be the same length. AC is going to be shorter than BD, so that's not. Use the slope formula to show that segment AB and CD are perpendicular. Well, they're definitely not perpendicular. Those are parallel. Use the slope formula to show that AB and CD have the same slope, and segments AD and BC have the same slope. Well, that's what it means to be parallel. Parallel means they have the same slope. So even though it doesn't clearly state that the opposite sides are parallel, if they have the same slopes, they are parallel. So that's probably going to be our answer, but let's check D just for good measure. Use the distance formula to show that segments AB and AD have the same length. AB and AD, those are not going to have the same length. Even in this picture, you can tell AB is longer. So it is going to be C.